Rapscallion, Brainy birds, Corvids already a little too aware, like a neighbor who knows when you've bought snacks. Now imagine they have opposable thumbs. Their nest wouldn't grow larger, just smarter, sharper, twig-shaped, honed to quiet points, small fortresses with a sense of design. And the decor, stolen brass, bright scraps layered like a second set of feathers. From these high places, negotiations begin. A look, a pause, tribute appears, kindness remembered, insults archived. But here's the thing. They don't need the thumbs. They already test. They remember, adapt, already edit the world in small, precise ways, already know more about us than we'd like. The question isn't what they've become, but what they already are, and whether we're wise enough to behave.